Do you agree that maybe you should be financially free, you personally, like from that perspective, before you continue, for example, like with the leverage thing on this side? What do you think about that?
Okay. Can you repeat the question? I'm not sure if I understood your question.
Okay. Do you believe, for example, that you should take care of the personal aspect of your financial life first before you keep moving on with this whole leverage thing?
Um, well, obviously, I know what the answer that what you're looking to hear, or what you want me to
No, I'm not
say.
looking to
Yeah,
hear anything. I just want to hear what you think. There's
oh,
no,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So I know, and it's like when someone that smokes, they know it's bad for them, but they still do it. I'm kind of like that.
That's
I
not good. That's not good.
I know I know what I have to do and what is the quote unquote correct thing to do. But again, I guess look, here's another thing that I kind of should mention. One of my plans, that I would say maybe a year ago, I decided to make this my plan, was to acquire 10 rental properties, and
Mm-hmm.
again, 25% down, and then just start doing the snowball effect. Focus on
How many do you
number
have right
one.
now?
Right now, I have 7 properties, and so I have 6 rentals, and I have obviously my personal home. I'm actually right now, looking. I think I have a deal that I found, so I'm potentially looking for my 8th one, my 7th rental. But my game plan is to, once I get to 7 or 10, because the reason I say 10 is because conventional lenders will usually stop at 10. I know I could keep going on and go up to X
Yep.
amount of properties if I go with a different financing
So
route.
once you get 10, what do you do?
My plan is to just do the snowball effect, but focus on property number 1, focus on property number 2, focus on property number 3, and then
Like to pay them off?
yeah, to pay them off, and then again, because I believe in leverage, but I don't believe in over leverage. So, I personally think I could handle 10 mortgages if I have the cash set aside.
Bum 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 ba ba da 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 ba da. You've got to stop.